Alright, this is how you get stretched res. You can do this on CSGO or Fortnite. I'm going to be doing Fortnite. You want to right click your desktop, open up NVIDIA control panel. You can do this with other graphics cards, but I don't know how to do their programs work. So yeah, go to customize. And then these are all the resolutions I have. The top one, the 1720, that one's like the old popular res, but Martaz uses 1650 by 1050. So I'm going to be trying that one out today. And go to create custom resolution, and then enter the resolution, which is 1650 by 1050 is what I'm using, and then press test. Your screen will flash black, but I already have it, so yeah, just make sure that box is checked at the bottom so you'll see it. Press OK, scroll up, you'll see your custom resolutions, and then you want to apply, and then you want to go to adjust desktop, and then you want to make sure you're on full screen so you get rid of the black bars. I'm recording this in OBS, so it won't be stretched, but for the gameplay that I preview later on, it will be stretched. So yeah, you can have that box checked if you want. It doesn't really affect anything, I don't think. So yeah, I just have it unchecked. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to app data, and I'm going to kind of go over this fast. You want to go to app data up top, local, and then find Fortnite game, and then go to saved, config, Windows client, game user AI. I know I went through that fast. Slow it down, and yeah, you uncheck read only if you have it checked. Open up your game user AI, and then find the resolution. Make sure it's on 1920 by 1080, and then save. And then I like to recheck the box. So yeah, open up Fortnite now. I know this is a very fast commentary. If you have any questions in the comments, I will literally answer all of them. So yeah, I am Central Time, so if you respond, I might be asleep. Open up Fortnite, and yeah, by the way, this does not give you any competitive advantage. It just widens like the models a bit, and old stretch res, if you were around back then on PC, you gained FOV. Like Fortnite's FOV is capped at like 70 or 90. I believe it's 90, but old stretch res used to make your character like farther back, so it would actually be an advantage, and that's why they got rid of it. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you 1650 by 1050. Again, if you make it this far, like, comment, subscribe, any comment helps. I'm trying to post like every 3 days now. So yeah, this is just some gameplay of it. I'm going to be stretching it, so you'll actually see it stretched. And ignore the terrible gameplay. This is just going to show, it kind of widens the builds, and I actually like 1650 over 720 because it's closer to native res, which is obviously 1920 by 1080, but it actually feels really smooth, and it doesn't like make your character so zoomed in like other reses, like very stretched reses. And I understand why Martaz uses it now, and I'm going to be showing gameplay of the widened models here. You can kind of see, it doesn't really widen it that much actually, but you can see here, that's what the player heads will be. Obviously, different characters will be different. That's what the builds look like. You can kind of see how it widens the builds out. And yeah. And then this is how to switch back. You just obviously change all your reses back to 1920 by 1080. And make sure your refresh rate's at whatever your monitor's refresh rate is at. And then you want to change back to aspect ratio, and then change the reses back. So yeah, you can see here, all you have to do, 1920 by 1080, apply, your screen will flash black again, and that's how you change it back. And then this is again another clip of 1920 by 1080, which is obviously, I'm just showing a preview of them, so you can kind of like skip through them and see what they look like. Ignore my terrible ping. But yeah, you can see this is 1920 by 1080, and you can see a lot more than stretched res, but stretched res just feels overall smoother. So yeah, that's the end of the video.